Hello everyone, I got my Luxbel 14-in-1 accessories kit for my GoPro. It's everything in this pack right here. Let's take a look. You could probably use this for other action cameras as well. So in the kit, the user manual for all the different pieces. So this is the GoPro suction mount right there. Here's the head strap, which this is why I bought it, so I can use this for fishing. Put the GoPro on my head. Yep, there's the chest strap. Seems like decent quality. That's why this got so many good reviews. You have your float handle or float pole, they call it. Here's another one that I plan on using, and that's the hat clip. Let's check out the spring on here. I use these a lot too with my baseball caps. So. Seems like a decent clip. Bunch of the different kind of clips and mounts here. Little assortment. Here's a little tripod if you don't want to be wearing your action camera on your head or on your body. You can set it up next to you. Set it up wherever you want. Those are nice. Here's a selfie stick. Telescopic. Seems decent. You can adjust the angle. Some mounts, some adhesive stickers, the different types of mounts. This isn't a wrench that you'd actually screw on the mounts. This looks like the wrist. Yeah, this is the wrist strap. So the wrench here fits into this. So you can use it like that to screw it on if you want to. I'll probably do it with my fingers, but it's a nice little addition they have. So that's everything with the kit. This pouch, I guess you can store all the little accessories in there, the little clips and mounts and stuff. But not bad, 14-in-1 accessory kit for that price. I'm digging it. I like it. I bought it mostly for fishing. I'm gonna use a head strap, maybe the chest strap for me, the hat clip. But a lot of cool stuff in there. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and best wishes with your action cam. Have fun out there.